Shantanu sir, discussing with you this morning in cloud computing. Okay, what are the things are there in emerging trends as well? So in cloud computing, cloud refers to to an internet or a network present at remote location. So nowadays there are a lot of uses of cloud is going on. You can see out here the cloud that we are using nowadays. So many of the things, suppose say if we are using the online transactions and the transactions and all are being done in cloud only. Okay, cloud computing. So now there are several types of clouds, cloud storages are available nowadays. Okay, so we are having the iCloud for the Apple iPhones and all, and we are having the OneDrive also for Microsoft. Okay, many clouds are there, and now most of the applications are uploaded also in the cloud. Okay, so cloud computing refers to remote access of hardware, software resources for access, configuration, manipulation, etc. Cloud computing offers online data storage, infrastructure, and applications such as customer relationship management, that is very important, CRM, that is actually the short form is, abbreviated form is CRM, email, web conferencing, execute and cloud. It can work on public and private networks also, WAN, LAN or VPN whatsoever. Okay, so the cloud computing actually it is a non-physical storage that gives us enormous storage, even unlimited storage in some cases, but in cases of Gmail and all, like Google and all, you have to purchase 25 up to 25 GB, it is free. Okay, after that you have to purchase, the thing is that. But cloud computing nowadays, cloud storage especially is the best process in order to store it, because you don't need to carry any physical drive or physical storage with you. So whenever you like, you just use your login ID and password, and you get through into the storage server and then find out or extract your data. So whenever, wherever you are. Okay, of course the internet connection must be must be there. Okay, a good internet connection must be there. Okay, high speed internet connection is required in that case. Okay, otherwise this is a very safe storage nowadays we do have. So that is actually the cloud computing. So once again we are referring in cloud computing, cloud refers to a internet or network or present at remote location. Okay, so it is actually similar to the cloud, so that it has been named, so that is called cloud. All right, so whatever is happening, that is happening in the cloud only. Okay, that is the thing. So now this actually offers what? This offers online data storage. That is the basic things out here, online data storage. So nowadays most of the apps, those which you are seeing in the Play Store or in the App Store, and also all are actually been given in the storage. Even this meeting also is going on in storage, whatever the Google Meet or Microsoft Team or Zoom meeting whatsoever. Okay, that is the thing. So now it is actually improved our customer relationship management. Okay, so whenever we are actually getting the inbox, okay, in email, in inbox, so whatever mails are coming, they are actually also being stored into email cloud. All right, that is the thing. So now the concept of storage has entirely been changed. Okay, so as the cloud computing has been referred to. All right, so let us go to the another place. So use of cloud computing. So where people can use the cloud computing, create new apps and services. Suppose you have created a new app and you want to upload it. So where will you upload it? So you have the cloud server and you have the cloud storage into the server. So there you can upload, okay, your app. So from here anybody can download if he or she can log into that particular cloud service. All right, that is the thing. We can store, we can back up, and we can recover our data. You can say that, you can say YouTube is also has its own cloud storage. All right, that is the thing. So that's why we are actually uploading these many videos and this many data, and that is got stored over here, and whenever we like to, we can easily fetch it from there. Okay, just we have to pass one link, and afterwards you will see that all the data will be along with the link will be go to the client's address. Okay, wherever we want to send it. Okay, that is the thing. So that is the nowadays the advantage of cloud computing. It is actually a non-physical storage, and you no need to carry this wherever you like. You can just give your login ID and the password. Okay, afterwards you will see that you will be able to go inside it and then download whatever requisite, okay, requisite you require, okay, whatever the thing is there. All right, understood. So that is what the cloud computing. So some more with you, some more is coming up with you. Okay, so first of all let us see that what are the uses of cloud computing once again. Yes, students, we are coming to the uses of cloud computing once again. So, that is the create new apps and services. That is, you can store and backup and recover data also. You can host websites and blogs even. Okay, we can stream audio and video, deliver software on demand. Okay, analyze data for patterns and make predictions. That is also there. So, analysis of data is also possible. Specifically, the huge data, suppose say weather data, suppose say data of the artificial satellites. Okay, data of a huge marketing store. Okay, so of the data of a huge data of a governmental organization, accounts data of especially the accounts data of a governmental organization, all these things can be kept as backup in order to analyze data. Okay, and we can after analysis the prediction can be made also. Okay, streaming and audio and video especially is actually being done in YouTube's and all are being done in we are doing in clouds. Okay, so the cloud computing offers platform independency because software is not required to be installed locally on the PC. Thus applications are being the mobile and collaborative. That is one more advantage of the cloud computing. Fine. So now the thing is that, so here it is very important to note this particular line, because software is not required to be installed locally. Okay, you should no need to purchase or no need to use any third-party software in order to use the cloud. Okay, only the thing is that the server where you have registered your email ID and all, they will provide you the cloud service. Okay, that is the thing. So it can be Google, it can be iCloud, it can be OneDrive, anything like that. Okay, can provide you the cloud service. All right, that is the thing. So there you can create your things, apps and all, and services, whatever you would like to take, and then you can store, you can backup and recover data, and I think and you can host websites also if required. Okay, that is the thing. So and whatever daily software is required, software to be required in order to work smoothly, that also can be delivered on demand. Okay, means like by using the file transfer method, file transfer protocol, you can also transfer the files in cloud. All right, that is the thing. So as we are just downloading the email attachments and all. All right, so the email attachment, what is happening, we are just whenever we are sending, then what is happening, we are using the FTP, that is the file transfer protocol, and we are downloading also we are using the same thing. However, the mail when you are accessing from the cloud, we are using the SMTP, that is called simple mail transfer protocol that we are doing. Fine, that is the thing. So that's why we can say that cloud computing offers a platform independency because software is not required out here. Suppose here if you want to type a letter, that in that case you need to install a word processing software, but that is not required for cloud computing even. All right, so you can easily log into it. Basically the cloud service, what is actually the advantage of having cloud? First of all, no physical storage you need to carry. Your data is safe. Okay, so no third party can take it, okay, from there, extract it from there. You are the sole user of your data, and the data backup, a huge data backup is possible, okay, which may not be possible in our physical storage, because we are having the stipulated amount of physical storage. Okay, that is the thing. So these are the uses of the cloud computing. Fine. So now we are coming to the working models for cloud computing. Working model of cloud computing will be like this. Deployment models are there. We are having the service models also. Okay, so we are having the deployment models, means public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, hybrid cloud. Okay, these 4 types of clouds are there, and infrastructure as a service, platforms as a service, and software as a service. Okay, so these are the 3 different platforms onto which that the service model works, and these are the deployment models. That is the public cloud that we are using. Private cloud is also possible, because nowadays private cloud is also very important as we are keeping our data into cloud storage, and community cloud is also available there. Okay, suppose a particular organization, if they want to store their data in a particular cloud, so in that case we can call it as community cloud. Okay, say for example State Bank of India. State Bank of India has got its community cloud because they are having their own company data, their employee data, their subscribers data, everything. So that can be termed as a community cloud. And hybrid cloud means mixture of all 3 types of clouds. Here it is, that is the public cloud, private cloud, and community cloud. All these 3 things get mixed, and they are actually the forming the hybrid cloud. Okay, and we are having the service models also, the infrastructure, platform, and the software. That is the thing. So in this way, this is the working model of the cloud computing. are discussing the working models of cloud computing. So they have seen that two types of are there. That is, one is the deployment, another is the service model. Okay, service model means that infrastructure infrastructures as a service. So any platform can be an infrastructure. Suppose say someone is using the e-learning, okay, e-learning in cloud. Okay, so that is also the can be an infrastructure to be developed in order to implement the e-learning over there, e-learning process over there, like the group meetings are going on web cloud server. Okay, so that is also the an infrastructure. That is also an infrastructure. Storage, everything is coming as an infrastructure. All right. So it is actually gives us a platform. Okay, that wherever whenever we are using this particular platform, we will be working efficiently. We can be able to work efficiently. That is the thing. Okay, so which is very, very important. All right. So now the thing is that here you can see out here the software also as a service. So softwares we are using after different type of apps like Google Meet, like Google Classroom we are using. That is also is happening in the cloud only, because otherwise from where the storage will come. That is the thing. So this is actually another part of this particular this thing, cloud computing models, you can say. So two types, deployment models and service models, both are there. Okay, so infrastructure development is definitely required in order to working with the clouds and all. All right, that is the thing. So now the different type of things, working models for cloud computing. We are having the deployment model, that is a public cloud for general public. Private cloud is for whom? Private, for an organization only, say for TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, or any bank, data say ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, or say State Bank of India, whatever. Okay, so those people can use this particular private cloud. And community cloud means a group of organizations, say for even UNESCO, they can use their community cloud. And hybrid cloud means mixture of private cloud. Private cloud is actually known as the hybrid cloud. So these four are there, which are coming under the deployment model of cloud computing. Fine. So now the next we are going to the difference between the public and private cloud. What is the public cloud actually? So this is very important for you for the exam also, so you can understand also the concept afterwards, you require it also. Okay, so public and private cloud. So public cloud hosted at service provider site, okay, and hosted at enterprise or service provider server directly. Okay, so that is the thing, like we are doing it, we are just uploading it into the Google server. Okay, Google web server or the Google cloud. Okay, so we are actually what is the service provider, there actually we are going, but here it is happening where in the server of the service provider. Here it is not directly to the service provider server. Okay, it is actually taking place in the site. Cheaper than private cloud, okay, costlier than public cloud. Okay, that is the thing. So it is cheaper than the private cloud and then costlier than private cloud. Means the straight away public cloud is not that costly, and wherever the private cloud is costlier. Okay, utilizes shared infrastructure, utilizes own infrastructure. That is the thing. Okay, so you are taking from someone and then you are using. Okay, that is the utilization of the shared infrastructure. It utilizes the own infrastructure because the infrastructure has already been built and that is being used. Okay, supports connectivity over internet, private WAN, wide area network. Okay, require high level of security, require medium level of security, supports multiple consumer. Okay, supports one consumer, shared server, and here it is case dedicated server, because it is actually being used for the serving purpose only. Fixed cost, it is having the variable cost. Okay, and is having the multi-tenant architecture. Example, Amazon Elastic Cloud, and Amazon, Flipkart, everybody is having the multi tenant architecture. And dedicated architecture means like Hewlett Packard, any company like TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. Okay, like it is having some other names are also being given. Helion Cloud System Hardware, Helion Managed Private Cloud, okay, Managed Virtual Cloud Private Cloud Services. Many are there. Okay, there is a very never ending list is there for this particular architecture. That is a dedicated customer architecture, and this is the multi-tenant architecture. So this is the difference between the public cloud and the private cloud. All right, so you need to study all these three things. Okay, so in order to do it nicely. Fine. So now the thing is that, okay, so we have done till so far over here in the clouds and all. So kindly do the what is cloud computing and what is private cloud, types of cloud, and the functionality of cloud. Thank you.